Good morning, dear children. Are you still enjoying Ganesh festival? I know it is still going on, right? So all are must be happy and enjoying the festival. And today, some of you might be having Ganpati and Gauri Visarjan, right? So children, I request you all and also your family members that instead of going to the river bank, use the different arrangements made by corporation. That is, corporation has made different houses or tanks at different places. You can use this house for Ganpati Visarjan. Okay, or you can also do Visarjan at home, like using a small tub of water, or you can do Visarjan in a bucket which is filled of water. As well, please do not throw the flowers which we have used for Ganpati Pujan, that is called as Nirmalya. Please do not throw these flowers or this Nirmalya in river. Please use the big kalash which are prepared or made available at different places by corporation. You can throw these flowers or this Nirmalya in this kalash. Okay, if we throw the flowers in the river, it pollutes our river, so please avoid to do that. Okay, so children, it's time to continue with our lesson. We have already started the lesson a great leader, Mahatma Gandhi, and we have learnt how deliberately he has chosen the dress as a short dhoti and a loin cloth, right? So let us see what more information is giving in this lesson. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his place. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. So children, as you know, at that time, England was ruling over over our nation. Once Gandhiji had gone to England to attend a very important conference, and the king, what was his name? King George of England, he gave a reception to the participants of that conference at his place. And people received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. So there was a dress code for this party. Okay, and so people had to dress up in a certain way. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Okay, so as you know, and even the people were knowing, that Gandhiji were wearing only a short dhoti and loincloth and sometimes a shawl. So people in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king, because there was a dress code for that party. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way even when visiting the King of England. So Gandhiji was very firm. He made it very clear that he is not going to change his usual dress though he has to visit the king. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. So what he said, that he is going to wear the same dress of the people, that is of the people of India to whom he was representing. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. So Gandhiji was more concerned with the people in his country, and the poor people in his country were not affording, or they were not able to purchase the proper clothes to wear. And so he did not bother that what style of dress the British approved. He wanted to wear the same dress which the poor people of his country were wearing. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loincloth and a shawl. So Gandhiji again wore the same dress a short dhoti, a loincloth with a shawl, and king had to welcome him in the same dress. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. What do you mean by extravagantly? That is, in a way that cost a lot of money. So the king was wearing such a dress which was costing a lot of money. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. So you understood, children? What happened? Gandhiji was asked that whether he had enough clothes to wear for meeting with the king. But Gandhiji replied that the king himself is having enough clothes that will be enough for him and also for Gandhiji. Okay, so the king was wearing so many clothes that would be enough for both of them, right? Millions of people or millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. So, people of India were very happy that though Mahatma Gandhi had gone to England to attend the important conference with the king, he did not change his dress. He wore the same dress which the poor people of India were wearing. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch flowers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. Okay, so he did not use any destructive weapon to win the war of independence. He showed the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. Satyagraha was a way to fight with British people. Okay, so he showed the correct way to fight against the British and to win the war of independence. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. Understood, children, how great Gandhiji was? As you grow, you will come to know more and more about Gandhiji. In English as well as in history, we are going to learn many more things about Gandhiji. So for now, let us stop. And there is a homework for you. You are going to write these meanings which are given below the lesson. Please write these meanings in your notebook and learn them. In next period, we will write few more meanings and as well we will write the question answers. Okay, children? Once again, Ganpati Bappa Moreya, and let us pray Ganpati Bappa. Please save the whole world from coronavirus. ज्याप्रमाणे तू सारी विघ्न दूर करतोस त्याप्रमाणे करोना व्हायरसचं विघ्न देखील दूर कर आणि संपूर्ण जगाचं रक्षण कर. राईट? ओके चिल्ड्रन, थँक्यू.